Okay. Stop. Go back, redo it. Go. That's good. Stop. So, no move. Totally lock. Okay? Only the hand comes back because the shoulder rotates. That rotation, that's good. Just a little bit came back, a very, very small fraction. That's good. It has to come back 100% from here. It's not this move. And now, on the way out, there is a board here. You cannot go over. Go. Ah, that's it. You feel that now? Mm-hmm. Because of that, stay there. Don't move. There. Don't move, okay? Don't protrude. So this here. So there's a wall. You stick as much as possible to the wall, but there's nothing else. Now, no, don't move. Freeze yourself. And this push, you open your quad like this. It's on your rear foot. Did you feel that?
Yes.
Okay, go. Okay. Now, open your foot first and step. Okay, now remember, just a second, Jimmy, right? Watch. A little bit smaller. Okay, don't move. Jimmy, come over here. Touch him here and here. And when I do this here, you drop this whole thing, curve this way. Ah, that's it. We've done this before, great. So this power must, whenever I fight you like this, you never fight with your arm, your hip goes down, it pops it up. Okay, finish. No, fist. No, the other way. Yeah. It's good to be parallel. Feet parallel. Yeah, okay, perfect.